Hi everyone, welcome to the Cloud Institution. Cloud Institution is the best institution in the Bangalore. Okay, so in this video we are going to see what is a Git. Okay, so let's say about the what is the Git and what is the purpose of this Git and where we can use this Git and everything. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand what is the Git. Okay, so Git is a version control system. How it will become the version control system? Let's say with a practical session means like I'll explain you with the one of the examples and everything. So as it mentioned, like Git is a version control system, and what it does means it will help us to track the source code changes and also which helps us to store the our source code, and also it is used for to collaborate on the code. Okay, so let me explain with you some kind of in some example manner. For example for example I have a one project. Okay, so basically I'm one working in this project. Think that I'm working on a one of the banking project. Okay, so banking or mobile application I'm working on. Okay, so here the mobile application you can say that is banking application. Okay, so now as the person like only one, I am the one who is working on this. That is Shweta. Okay, now as the requirement is there for me to, I want to hire some more peoples. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll hire some more people. So just think that A person and also B person here and C person. Okay, so these are my resources. Okay, so as of this one, the whatever the mobile app is there, that banking application is there, it is present in my local system. Okay, which is present in my local system. And if I want to give the source code, okay, so whatever I make some changes in the this source code means. Okay, so what happens if the A wants to know what all the changes are there, so how he will get to know? For example, B is also there. I have this guy also wants to know about the what all the I have done the changes. So how that person will get to know, the B person, and about the C person, how these persons will get to know about the whatever the I have made a changes and in that file. So how they will get to know? Okay, so for example, what I'll do here, so one of the cloud platform, I'll put this source code, okay, that is called GitHub. Okay, I'm storing this, whatever the source code is there, in one of the GitHub that is called as a cloud platform. Okay, so I'll store this source code in one of the GitHub and I'll create a one of the repo. Okay, so repo means it is one of the project, the file path. Okay, so I can make a one file path for that project. Okay, now for example, I have think that I have made some changes. Like I have a this is the Java class file is that means Java file is that means. So I'm just making some changes here. Public static void main string arguments. So what I'll do, I'll just add the system dot out dot println. So you don't need to understand what is this anything. So just I'm writing the for understanding purpose. I'm writing this example. Okay. So hello world. Okay. So there are basically, so how many lines are there? Okay. So let me write it first line. Okay. This is second line. Okay. And third line. And this is in the fourth line. Okay, and fifth line and sixth line. Okay, So I have a total 6 line. So the 6 lines I have now. So for example, what I'll do, I'll add some kind of lines in between this. Okay. So what happens here, or let it be like okay. So I have made some changes in the in between. Okay. So now what happens? This is a fifth line. It will become, and I'll add the some kind of int a equals to 20. Okay. I'm adding this one. So this becomes the what? The sixth line. Okay, so this becomes the what? Seventh line. So what happens here? I have made some changes here. Before that, that was like only 6 line were there. Now it becomes the what? The seventh line. So what are the things I have made? That is like in the fifth line, I have made some changes. Means it has to be updated in the like the source to the others also, right? So what I have to do? I have to use this uh, one of the platform that is GitHub to store this whatever the changes I have made. I can they can also track it, and because I have given the collaboration for them. Okay, so I have given the collaboration for this project means they can also track this whatever the file is like or whatever the source code they I made a changes. Okay, so for example, I have committed this one means so it becomes the what one of the version. Okay, I have committed means so it becomes the one version. For example, this guy also made some changes in that particular file means so this becomes the what a version 2. Okay, and so if this guy has made some changes in the B person has made some changes in the that particular file means again this becomes the what version 3. Okay, and again he make some changes. He make some changes means like again it becomes the version 4. So what they will do, these whatever the changes they will push into the what GitHub means. So this becomes the one new versions for that particular file or the particular repo path. Okay, so in that repository there will be files will be there, right? So in that so it will become a new version for that particular files. Okay, so this is called as a version control system. Okay, so and also they can track it, so what are the changes they have made, and also I can collaborate these persons to this whatever the mobile means projects, right? So this is what about the uh, Git all about. Okay, so we can track it, we can track the source code and we can make some kind of new versions. Okay, means like what where the person had made changes in which particular line the person has made a changes. So what exactly he made a same changes, what is the previous one was there and now what is the new one is there, everything we can track it. So that is the reason we use the what Git. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you to understand the what is the Git. Okay, and if you like this video, please hit on the like button. And if you have any doubts in this, please comment it and share it to your friends and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.